so with fasting, it's not just fasting, it's fasting and feasting, right? So you alternate between days that you fast and the days where you eat according to your metabolic type, and it doesn't have to be restricted. So it's this contrast. And then as I adopted this lifestyle and started seeking sort of scientific explanation for what's going on, I found some interesting results that show you that we have two sets of genes, or like master regulator genes. And one set of gene is about proliferation, cell division, and another set of genes is about self-recycling, cell clearing, the debris, some proteins that are no longer functional. And you need to go between these two states for cellular health. And so you activate one set of genes when you eat, especially protein and also carbohydrates, to stimulate your insulin. And the other set of genes is when you fast, you activate that. And so this is how our ancestors probably also did that, because there were times of scarcity and times of abundance. And so maybe this is how we evolved. This is the same in animal kingdom, right? There are some times when, like bears, they hibernate, right? So there's a huge time when they're actually fasting. Now, for us, we don't really have to do extensive fasts to get into that. It's not like you have to fast for a month. But Jason Fung, he described this interesting approach, which is, of course, not his own, but something that he adopted. It's called ADF, Alternative Day Fast. And in the beginning, I thought it's too much. It's like every other day, it seemed a little bit strange, like I wouldn't jump into it right away. So I tried other things like time-restricted eating, or maybe just fasting once a week. And those, I just didn't resonate with me. So then I just jumped into this ADF called Turkey, and it turned out to be the best for some reason. And so why I think it's the best is because when we fast and feast so closely to each other, our genes kind of stay on from both sides. So it's like, because they kind of know, like you have to rely on them soon again, and they don't get downregulated. But if you were to be feasting for like a month or even a week, those fasting genes, they will kind of get downregulated, and it could be hours, if not days, to bring them up in expression. But if you do it like really often, it's very easy to go through the fasting and feasting day, and it's almost doesn't feel like anything.
Thanks for watching this video, and you can find the full-length podcast episode here on this channel, or you can head over to Apple Podcast or Spotify, and don't forget to like this video.